This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Audi Q7 headlight bulb easy guide. Grab gloves, a screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb before you begin. Work in daylight or a well-lit garage and set parts on a clean cloth. I will walk you through opening the hood, accessing the headlight housing, removing the old bulb, and installing the new one safely and securely. Start by opening the hood and locating the back of the headlight assembly near the engine bay. Remove any plastic covers or trim that block access and keep fasteners organized. Unscrew or unclip the small screws holding the housing and then twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to free the bulb. Be gentle to avoid breaking clips and keep the workspace tidy so reassembly is straightforward. With the socket free, grip the bulb by its base and remove it straight out, noting its orientation. Do not touch the glass of the new bulb. Oils can shorten its life. Insert the replacement in the same orientation, rotate or lock it into place, and reconnect the wiring harness. Reconnect the battery briefly to test the beam alignment and function before reinstalling covers and trim for a proper finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.